Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about exponents. And now exponents kind of look big and scary, but they're actually really easy. So exponents are a shortcut. It's a way to abbreviate when we have a whole lot of multiplication happening. So in our first example, I've written 2 to the third power, or you can also say that is 2 cubed. Okay? You'll hear it both ways. Both are correct. Really, what that 3 is telling you is that there are 3 2's being multiplied together. So if I were to write that as a multiplication sentence, it would look like 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? Pretty easy. It's just shortening it so that we don't take up as much space. In math, we like to make things as quick as possible. So if I were to solve this, all I have to do is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Easy peasy. So we're going to try one with a little bit bigger of an exponent. So here we've got 5 to the 4th power. Okay? So if I'm just writing that as an expression, it's 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay? Okay? So if I'm solving this out, 5 times 5 is 25. Times 5 is 125, times 5 is 625. Okay? Again, it's just a shorter way to write this. So another example, we have 7 squared. I can also say this is 7 to the 2nd power. Anytime I have a 2 as an exponent, it's squared. Okay? So, since we've been talking about square numbers last week, this should be pretty easy. A lot of you probably already know the answer, but my multiplication sentence here is 7 times 7. I've got 2 7's being multiplied together. And your answer here is 49. Now, the biggest mistake that a lot of people make when we're talking about exponents is they'll see 7 to the 2nd power, and they'll think, oh, 7 times 2. But then it's not really much of a shortcut, so it's not saving us a lot of time. So, anytime you're doing this, remember you're going to use the same number and multiply it however many times your exponent tells you. Okay? So, I'm going to let you solve a few on your own. So, on the side of your journal, I want you to solve those 2 problems. I want you to do 4 to the 3rd power, or 4 cubed. And I want you to do 10 to the 4th power, okay? And when you do this one, I want you to see if you notice something cool about it. We'll be talking about that in class on Wednesday. So, go ahead and get started. I will see you guys tomorrow.